Hello, my name is Karan Saggu and I am from Gurugram, Haryana. I recently completed a 60 days of on-job training program with Evision Technoserve, which was a valuable experience for me. The course was well structured and covered key topics like networking, cybersecurity, Windows administration, Windows Server, and CCNA, and many more. Each module was explained in a simple and practical way, and making it easier even for beginners. I appreciated the availability of recorded session which helped me revisit and strengthen my understanding. The trainers were very supportive and cooperative, explaining each and every concept with real-time examples that connected theory with practical applications. Thanks to this solid foundation and the skills I developed during the training, I recently joined Accenture with a package of 2.9 LPA, that a milestone made possible by the guidance and training of Vision Technoserve. Thank you.